go, doing some more stuff. So we got a closer here we need to replace. All right, we got rid of the old one. We put a new one in, like so. Looks real good. Holds it real nice. And real smooth. That'll keep the door from opening up constantly like it was. The wind was just making it open up all over, so that's fixed. Okay. Okay. The ceiling fan, the pull switch for this is damaged, so we're going to go ahead and see about fixing this, putting a new pull string in. We have that over here, so I'm going to try to replace that with a similar string. Alright, so we're going to do the wiring on that, get that together. And then all of the ones that don't have handles on them, we got all these here. So we're going to go replace that one, wherever I don't see. Okay, so pull the old switch and install the new one in there, which is this one here. Brand new, and it will work. It does work, and I'll demonstrate it in just a minute. All right, so as you can see, I've repaired the fan. And there we go. Got a new switch. Okay, we got more stuff to do in here. I need a new seat I gotta make. Okay, there's no piece for this. That's missing. Got a new one, so we got more plumbing to do in here. All right, so now we're putting on the new. Look at that. That's a perfect fit too. I got just the right one. Okay, now just make sure this is lined up good before I tighten it all the way. Okay, make sure that's lined up. Perfect. Okay. Alrighty. Make sure these are hand tightened down. Okay. And then I use a little wrench here to tighten them down. Nice and easy. Okay. Same with this side. Alright, let's get that up more with the hand first. Whoops. Alright. So boom. Alright. Needs a little more hand tightening first. Lined up still. Alright. Boom. Put some caps on down. Alright, I think we are golden. Perfect. give it one more tightening. The seats are always liable to have a problem if they're not tight enough. All right, looks good. All right, so the seat is done now. Looks great. Boom, perfect. Great. Goes up and down nice and easy. Boom, perfect. And just overall view of the toilet that I fixed. You can just see, you know, it is really rock solid. It's not going nowhere. I mean, I really locked that down. That's how it should be. Same here. This is locked down good. No shit. You know, it's tight. So everything's good. All right. Okay. So the final problem in the bathroom that needs taken care of. All right. So there's no stopper in there. Probably could have just went for a. I mean, that's there, but this part's missing, which would be this. But I gotta see if it's compatible first. So let me have a look here. I might better just drop a new one in. If it lines up. Let me see. This is way down here. Actually, what do we got going on here? Because I can't. Looks like something fell in there too. Something's in there. I don't believe this is going to be. I'm going to have to change the whole thing out, I think, because the way this looks. I don't think it's the same length as that one. Huh. It almost seems like it is, but let me see up here. All right, so unfortunately, this length of this pipe here is not compatible with just taking this new one. I gotta change the whole thing out because you can't just drop this in and it work. It's not gonna line up with this pipe here. Once you got it up in there, I see it's up higher than that one, lower down. So, yeah, it's not gonna work. I gotta change everything out. All right. All right. Gotta cut that off. When it comes to this type of stuff, you gotta, really just do it all over again. Some stuff you can't fix. Some things you just can't fix, This is one of them. All right, get this nut off of here real quick. All right, so we got the new pipe in, lined up with the that. All right, looks good. All right, give it a test. Draining real nice, real fast. Looks good, no leaks. Then pop it up, fills up, pop it down, draining is good. Pop up and down, that was what we had to fix, but in order to do that I had to change the whole thing out because the other one wasn't compatible. Okay, let us check for leaks. No leaks. Perfect. All right, looks good. Looks real good. All right, perfect. All right, see them little roaches right there? I'm gonna see if he'll take the bait right there. Come on. Enjoy that bait. Come here. Oh, come on, try that. Taste it. Them little motherfuckers. They're in here. Since that might be his little hiding spot, I put at least one there. He might go for it later. All right, so the last thing, I just demonstrated them roaches, but I put them on, you know, in the corner of basically every room. There's one in here, because I've been spotting them in here too. One in every room. So I had spotted something over here, put one there, put one couple back here. Put one in the kitchen under there. A couple in the corners over here. And then a couple over here too. All right, so I think I don't see any over here, so I think I'm gonna take this extra one and put him back here where I keep seeing him over this way somewhere. So we're gonna just, we left one in there. We'll throw one right here too. Kind of just to see if he goes for that too. All right, and I think that'll be it then. Finally, there was a question about the windows not shutting and the blinds. I replaced 2 blinds here, as you can see, brand new ones. In terms of the windows locking and shutting, boom. Boom. I've locked every one of them in here locked now. Let's see. Oop, let's see. Okay, yeah. So locks. And in here was the final one that had a problem with the windows. Locks. This was my other blind I put up. And this was also the window in question, and it locks. And it closes. So that's taken care of. And we're all done here. Everything's done.